Alright, today we are taking a look at this Vanity Princess playset. So here's everything that it comes with and then a closer look at the extra accessories that it has. It snaps together really easily, so there's the stool and then there is the vanity once it's put together. It has a lot of different compartments on it that we'll take a closer look at. So here are the different storage options and we'll put the accessories in there. So you can put the accessories in these different compartments in a variety of different ways. My daughter really loves this. And here's just an overall look at it. Then we need to go into the dark so I can show you the mirror feature. This was a surprise to me. I didn't realize it did this. So it does require 3 AA batteries, but there are 3 princesses that light up on the mirror and it plays music as well.